Why is China's factory activity slowing down in May 2026? This sudden slowdown is sparking serious concerns about the future of the world's second-largest economy and your financial markets right now. In May 2026, data revealed a significant slowdown in China's factory activity. This decline poses questions about the strength of China's economic recovery after recent challenges. As the world's manufacturing hub, any drop in China's production can ripple across global supply chains. Key manufacturing indexes showed reduced new orders and softer export demand, reflecting waning domestic and international appetite for Chinese goods. Chinese manufacturers are seeing less demand both at home and abroad, forcing many to scale back production. Exporters are particularly vulnerable as international buyers hesitate amid global economic concerns. This slowdown not only affects businesses inside China, but also impacts global supply chains in industries ranging from electronics to automotive parts, highlighting the interconnected risks of China's economic shifts. The slowdown comes amid a mix of weaker global demand and China's ongoing economic adjustments. International markets are cautious due to geopolitical tensions and inflation concerns, curbing orders from China's factories. Domestically, China is balancing growth with policies aimed at sustainable development, which can moderate short-term industrial output. These combined pressures are creating a challenging environment for China's manufacturing sector. Economists and policymakers are closely monitoring the situation, anticipating possible stimulus or policy adjustments to support factory activity. China's government may introduce measures to boost domestic consumption and investment to counteract the slowdown. The coming months will be critical in determining if this dip is temporary or signals a longer-term trend that could reshape global economic dynamics. What this means for you is clear. China's factory slowdown could affect product prices, stock markets, and global economic stability. Stay informed as these changes unfold because they impact everything from the goods you buy to your investments. Don't miss updates. Subscribe for the latest insights on this rapidly evolving story.